Hello, AP Computer Science A. In this video, I'm going to show us how to download and import a new project into Eclipse. So we're going to start here on Google Classroom, where most of the projects will be delivered from. And just a reminder that when we first click on the link for the project, it will take us to previewing the zip file, which isn't very useful. We actually want to download the whole zip file. So we need to go up to these triple dots in the top right, click that, and then go to open in a new window. And we can see it opens a new tab where now we will have the download icon. Why it doesn't have it here? That's only for Google Classroom to know. So we're going to click on this download button, and it will usually ask you where to save it. Most of the time it defaults to the downloads folder. So you can click this show in folder if you want. We don't really need to see it because we'll find it in Eclipse. But right here is my download. So we don't want to extract it because Eclipse can read from the zipped file. So what we're going to do is go to Eclipse. You don't have to close your other projects, but you can if you want. Then go to File, Import. And then once we click this, it'll open the import wizard. We want to go to expand out general, existing projects into workspace, hit next. And then normally like this is designed to load a unzipped project, but it can very easily import a zip file, which makes this very convenient for us. So select archive file, then click browse, and we're going to navigate to that zip file we just downloaded. You can see it's defaulting to my downloads directory. If it doesn't, you can always just click downloads manually. Or maybe you saved it to the desktop and you can click on desktop. So I want to select my lab that I just downloaded, hit open, and you can see that it's recognizing that there is a project in here. We definitely want to make sure it's checked. Now, I suppose this would be unchecked if you had remnants of a project that maybe you imported it, but then you deleted it, but you didn't delete it off of the hard drive. So if this is not checked, check your project workspace and make sure that there is no folder here for this lab. But it will default to being checked, so you should be fine. And then all we do is hit finish, and then now our project shows up here. We can also see that it has been added to my workspace, so we can see that this lab is now already extracted for us. So we can go into here, go into SCR, open up default package, and then we want to double click on main.java, and then we're ready to start working on our assignment. Don't forget to put your name at the top of it, and that's all you really need to do. It should be configured to run on the default JRE, so you shouldn't have to change any settings. So good luck on your projects, and thank you for watching.